up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I will teach you stylized hip-hop. So this is, the title of the song is called How Could You by Mario. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's do it 2/8, 2/8. So of course we place on this side. So you're gonna grab it 1, 2. So count is 1, 2, but it's 1, 2. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6. Sit back. 5, 6. Okay. Then 7, 8. Again. Ta, ta. 7, 8. One more time. 6, 7. Grab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy? Then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2. That is until 2 counts. 1, 2. One more time here. From the top. 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Copy? Side. 3. So your left stay. 3. Back on 4. 5. Hit on 6. Close on 7, 8. Make sure you point like this, not like this. Point like this. Okay? 2/8. Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Side. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, from here, 7, 8. Are you guys clear on that? 7, 8. Circle. 1, head 2. Again, 7, 8. 1, 2. Cross back. 3. Open on 4. Shoulder. 5, 6. Kick here. 7 and 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder. 5, 6. Kick. 7, 8. So one more thing, when you do this one, down. Not so down, just a little bit down or down. Okay? From the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Shoulder and 4, 2, 3, down, side, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Cross. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, from here. So contract 8, release 1, change weight on 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, open on 8. Continue here. 1, 2, side. 3, 4, up. 5, 6. Copy? Then look. Now I see. Turn around. 1. Ad lib. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 8. You need to finish in here. So no matter what kind of ad lib you do, you need to finish facing your left. For the last 8, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, head. 5, 6, change. 7, anything, then ad lib you want. Or Tai Chi. Yes. Is that clear, everybody? Let's try from here. Here. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down, 1 back, 3, 4 cross, 5, 6, look on 7, 8 turn around, 1, 2 at the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, push, 3, 4, head, 5, 6, 7, anything, and lift, Latin. Yeah! Let's start from the beginning. All of it. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, 1, add it, 3, 4, 5, face, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, head, 5, 6, 7, 8, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. Okay? I'll see you next time. I have problems though. It's itchy. Maybe money is coming in.